excited that he's coming up soon. Hoping to see the moon, hoping to catch a sign. Everyone's so happy, moon, moon, come on soon. We're off to see the Ramadan. Last trip, come and see the afterlife. We want to see the Ramadan tonight. Now Ramadan is started, and the moon just excited. Tomorrow we fly. Every Muslim loves. Now it's your time to hear, and it's time to hear for prayer. The Imam is in the laws, the Quran is in his heart. Moon, come out soon, we're off to see the Ramadan. Last trip, come and see the afterlife. We want to see the Ramadan tonight. We go the whole day long, shops are full of days, but still we have to wait till the sun goes down, and it's time to break Siam. The food is on the plate. Ooh, it tastes so good. Ooh, ooh, come out soon, we're off to see the Ramadan. Last trip, come to see the good afterlife. We want to see the Ramadan tonight.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to today's assembly by 40 and 34K. We hope you enjoy it. Today, we're going to explore the beautiful festival of Ramadan. Ramadan is a special time of year for Muslims all around the world. Yeah. Thank you.
It's a time of fasting, prayer, reflection, and community. Ramadan is one of the most important months on the Islamic calendar.
During this month, Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset, which means they don't eat or drink during daylight hours.
It's time for self-discipline, empathy, and devotion to God. Ramadan is determined by the Islamic lunar calendar,
Which begins with the sighting of the crescent moon. This year, Ramadan began in the evening of Sunday the 10th of March and is expected to end on Tuesday the 9th of April. Today we want to learn more about Ramadan and understand the values and traditions associated with it.
We want to share a story with you that demonstrates the importance of Ramadan and its impact on people's lives.
Golden Domes and Silver Lanterns, written by Hannah Khan and illustrated by Medicate Amin.
Red is the rug Dad kneels on to pray,
Facing towards Mecca 5 times a day. Blue is the hijab Mom likes to wear. It's a scarf she uses to cover her hair. Gold is the dome of the most big and grand. Thank you for watching. Towering minaret staff. Kufi round and flat. Here's the traditional hat. Round and flat.
Where is the ink I used to draw?
The Arabic letters that spell Allah.
Brown is the is the color of my hand and his eyes.
I cover my hands in leafy brown. Trouble is an ease gives just for me. I open it up and love what I see. Yellow is the box we fill on with gifts of zakat for those in need.
Read is the Quran. I read with pride. Radha explains the lesson inside.
Silver is the fanus, a twinkling light, a shiny lantern that glows at night. All the colorful things we have seen make up the world of my faith, my deed.
Ramadan is a time for reflection. It's a time where families and friends come together.
During Ramadan, lessons encourage kindness around the world. Silver quote, kindness is a value we share.
It's important to show kindness all year long.
I am kind by remembering what my friends like. By helping my friends when they get hurt or sometimes when they need help with work. I have shown kindness by helping other friends if they find stuff hard or they need help. I show kindness by helping each other with their heart and I remain concerned.
I'm bad because my friends.
One heart, a shared voice. I have shown kindness by helping my friends when they're sad. And I don't leave people out because sometimes it upsets people and that's not good. I show kindness by helping people. Whenever they need help, I can help them. Because kindness is a very important thing. If you had a world without kindness, the world would be very mean. It would not be a nice and safe place to live in. And kindness is good. Be kind and be nice.
I am kind by making sure no one is left out.
I think I show kindness by helping my friends when they need me. I think I show kindness at school by helping friends. This is one of our class books, and it's all about kindness, and I think it's really good that so you should read it.
I am kind by offering help.
You have shown kindness by helping someone when they fall down.
I am kind by inviting someone over for a play guide.
I am kind to say hello.
We show kindness at your report by helping people in lessons. For example, spec.
All of the room today in our work
ways to learn more about Ramadan.
Here are some recommendations you can read in your class.
3-4K read The Gift of Ramadan.
In the end, Sophia felt very happy to practice the spirit of Ramadan and is to be kind to others.
Sophia set up the table, made dinner, and set food.
Finally, Sophia demonstrated the values of kindness when she decided that even though she wasn't successful at fasting, she could still try to participate in Ramadan by helping others. Sophia showed his integrity, and she was honest about breaking her fast during the day.
Sophia was disappointed at first, but then she decided she would try again tomorrow, practicing the value of resilience.
Sophia tried her very best to fast during the day, but she was so hungry. She ate a cookie before iftar.
The story is about how Sophia wants to try but for the first in Ramadan.
Gift of Ramadan is a story we read in class.
Forty read the very best donut.
It is a red notebook that you can borrow from a library.
We would like to share a book review with you.
It's a story I recommend. It will tell you that Ramadan and it is all about fasting.
I like this book because it tells you about a boy named Adam, and he decides to fast in the month of Ramadan. But his mom says he's too young to fast, and so his sister Hannah.
I like this book because Adam shows his determination to get through his first day of fasting, and in the end he gets his prize, the very best.
What I enjoyed about the very best donut is that the little one tries to do something very fun, and then
I think the very best donut is a good book because it isn't like a boring book. It has good suspenseful storylines and it also is quite humorous.
Today's Friday, Adam's donut day. But Adam wants to fast so he goes to his family. His family says he's too young. Adam tries his best to fast and saves his lunch donut to eat with his family.
I enjoyed that Adam didn't give up because when he was at school, he wanted to take a bite out of his donut, but he didn't eat it. I enjoyed Adam's fascination of fasting in Ramadan because it's a Muslim tradition. But his mom said he doesn't need to fast until he's older. I liked about the very best donut is when the little boy Adam never gave up and tried his hardest to fast. He saved his Friday donut for the big feast at the end of the day with his family.
At the end of Ramadan, Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr. It's a joyful celebration where families and friends come together. People exchange gifts and enjoy delicious food. Everyone gets dressed in their finest clothes and give to the less fortunate. We hope you enjoyed our assembly today.
If you are celebrating Ramadan, we just want to say,
Get a hug.